Welcome back to the second video in our series of mini lessons for beginner students. Today we're going to use the verb to be to tell people what you do. Today we're going to start with the verb to be. The verb to be is often changed depending on the subject of the sentence. Today we're going to talk about am, is, and are. When we look at the subject, I, she, he, and you, we need to change the verb to be to fit with that subject. So for I, we say I am. With she and he, we say is. She is. He is. And with you, we change the verb to be to are. You are. The second thing we're going to talk about are articles. Articles look easy, but they're not. It's something that a lot of people have trouble with. Articles we're going to focus on today are a and an. We use an with vowel sounds at the beginning of a noun. That's A, E, I, O, U. But it's not the vowel, it's the vowel sound. That's important to think about. With the article a, we're just using it with consonants. So if we look at some different jobs that some of you may have, we can look at when to use the specific articles. So for example, we have student, artist, doctor, banker, architect, and athlete. Now remember what I said. So with student, the first sound is an S sound. That's a consonant. So the article is just a. We have a student. Right? And here we mean one student, a student. With artist, the first sound is an A sound. So we need to use the article an. We have an artist. And notice those two sounds will blend together. So it's not an artist, we say an artist. With a doctor, the first sound is a D. So we're going to say a doctor. With a banker, the first sound is B. So we have a banker. Now with both architect and athlete, the first sound again is an A sound. This is a vowel sound, so we need to use the article an architect, an athlete. Now, we can put those together. We can use the subject with the verb to be, and then the article and the job, and put them together to make a sentence. So if we do that here, we can say, I am an artist. And that's a wonderful sentence. If somebody asks you, what do? You can say, I am an artist. Another example, he is a doctor. Wonderful sentence. And finally, you can say, you are an architect. You can combine these in any way to make a good sentence. Now, these are all positive sentences. They're true. You are an artist. You are a doctor. What if it's not true? There's one more thing we need to add. So again, we can start with the subject and the verb to be, and we have the article and our job, but we need a special word in the middle. The word is not. This makes it negative. So again, though, you can put these together to make a good sentence. I am not a student. She is not a banker. You are not an athlete. Okay, so that not in the middle means this is not true. If somebody asks you, are you a student? You can say, no, I am not a student. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you do the follow-up questions and watch for video 3, which will be coming very soon.